this video we are going to install the tools we need. The first thing we have to install is SQL Server. Here I'm installing the 2022 Enterprise Edition. Click on Disk Image, then click on Setup. A window will pop up and we click Yes. If you don't know where to download SQL Server, just write in the comments and I will send you the download link. When this page opens, click on Installation, then click the first option, New SQL Server. Now we wait for the next window to open. When it opens, click Next. Here it installs the required files. Go to the next page, click Next again, and again click Next. Here it automatically detected the edition based on what you downloaded. Check this box and click Next. Again, check the box and click Next. In this section, we turn this option off, then click Next. Now we choose the features we need. If you ever need more features later, you can add them anytime. I'm enabling these options and I don't need the others. Here you can see the installation path. You can change it if you want. After this, just keep clicking Next until we reach the instance section. Here we give a name for the instance. If you haven't created anything before, you can choose default. Because I already have one, I type a new name, for example, Notecode. For the instance ID, I add a 2. I used the name before. Then click Next. In this section, we don't need to change. Click Next. Now we choose the authentication mode. If you only want to use SQL Server on this computer and access it through Windows, choose Windows Authentication. If you want to use both Windows and SQL Server login, choose Mixed Mode. If you choose Mixed Mode, you must set a password. The username is SA. Enter your password here. Then click Add Current User, so your Windows user gets added. Finally, click Next. Here it shows the features we selected. Click Install and the installation will begin. When everything is finished, this page shows that the installation was successful. Click Close and SQL Server is ready. The next tool we need is SSMS or SQL Server Management Studio. Installing it is very simple. Click Setup, click Yes, then click Install. This page shows the installation progress. SSMS is the place where we write SQL code. It's basically the IDE for SQL Server. When the installation is done, click Close and open the software. Here in the authentication section, we have several options. We usually use 2. Windows Authentication, when SQL Server is installed on your own computer. SQL Server Authentication, when SQL Server is installed on another computer or a server. If SQL Server is installed on your own system, set server name to localhost, then click Connect. After connecting, you'll see your databases. If it's empty, it means no database exists yet. You can create a new one using new database. But building a database from scratch takes time because we would have to design tables and add data manually. The easier way is to download a sample database from the internet and restore it. I will put the download link in the description. I'm using the 2022 version, but you can choose any year you want. After downloading, because Windows might not give SSMS access to the download folder, it's better to move the file somewhere else. I move mine to drive D inside a folder called Database. Copy the file path. Now in SSMS, right-click on Databases, select Restore Database, choose Device, then click Add, paste the path, select the file and click OK. Click OK again. If everything is correct, you'll see a success message. Now you can open the database and see all the tables under tables. In the next video, we'll learn select, where, and how to access data from these tables. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.